Okay, so we're back for day 3 of Jenny's countdown to Christmas. So moving along with my advent calendar. So let's see what's inside today. Okay, so at the end of this video, again, I'm going to recap the other boxes and the running total of costs as long as I'm still able to. So with that said, let's dig in. I just realized I have hair sticking to me. Okay. I don't know why I'm being so careful with these bags. It's not like I'm gonna reuse them. Okay, so did you watch yesterday's video as my guest? I finally got one right. And so it's 5-inch squares of essential 42 pieces per pack. So Holiday Dreams 5-carat gems. I finally got one right. These are really pretty. And I'm so excited because I actually already have an idea that I've been wanting to do for a Christmas project. I'm just gonna go ahead and take them out. It looks like they're all pretty like basic. There's no fancy sort of, you know, like snowmen or whatever. It's just beautiful red and green prints. So really pretty. I'm excited about it because I've had an idea in mind for a project that I want to do. And if it works out, I will show it on here and show how I did it, because not all the time do my ideas come together. But if I don't end up using it for that, I got from Missouri Star Quilt Company a table runner batting that I think these would make a really lovely table runner as well. So either way, I already have 2 ideas that I could do with this, so I'm really excited. I always appreciate and love getting fabric, and pre-cuts are ones I always love anyway. So if you remember, day 1, I'm not gonna get that back on there. Day 1, we got a pack of 2 scissors and a pattern. That value was at around $10. It was 9 something. And then yesterday was the thread holder. I don't know if you can see it all the way back here, but the thread holder, 2 are already missing because I used them. Not all the way, they're not all the way gone. That would be weird already. But this thread holder, the value was $9.95. So between day 1 and day 2, we're at around $20. I'm gonna go ahead and say that this was probably around $10. That's usually about how much charm packs and things like that cost when I purchased them. I could be wrong, and I will update that tomorrow in the running recap, but I'm guessing with day 3 we're around $30. I'll put in the description what I paid for this box. I cannot remember right now, and I meant to look it up before I started, but I think it was around $169. So I think it's going to reach its value pretty quickly if it goes on this trend of everything being around $10. So far I'm really happy about it. I love getting fabric. I loved the first item we got. If you watched yesterday, I showed that I already made bags with the zippers. So here. So I'm loving everything so far. I'm really excited. I hope you tune in tomorrow for day 4 and see what we're getting. So here's bag 4. And there's definitely something hard in it. And it kind of takes up the whole bag going in different directions. And I guess some sort of tool, because there's a piece over here that kind of has a loop. I have no idea what this one might be. Maybe some sort of rack stand that you would fold open, but I don't know what it would be. I don't know. This one I can't really guess on. I don't know I don't know what it would be. Maybe like one of those, I don't feel a base though. I was thinking one of those things that hold like the big things of thread, like these, beside your sewing machine and feed it up and through, but I don't know. You have to tune back in tomorrow to see what day 4 is. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.